How to fix so many codes sent on your Apple ID. So first of all, you have to stop requesting new verification codes. Sending too many codes in a short period of time can temporarily lock the verification system. Wait for about 2 or 3 hours, then try signing into your Apple ID again. In many cases, the message will disappear automatically. If you still don't receive a notification for your verification code, you can simply tap on didn't get it verification code and then choose another available verification option. After that, refresh your network connection. Open up your control center and then simply tap on airplane icon. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off again. You can even make sure that your phone number is active and that you have a stronger cellular or Wi-Fi connection. After that, request a new verification code and then check if it arrives. If the issue still continues, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.